Hello YouTube ladies, gentlemen and peeps, welcome back. I'm your host, MrRandomUploaderHD. I hope everyone is well and having a good weekend so far. And today is Saturday and that is Showcase Saturday, people. Yes. Let me bring out the window so you can see what I will be reacting to. Here we go in just a second. And yeah, as you can see, I will be reacting to a trailer called Pre-orders for Bombastic Arcade Shooter called Rail Break begin today. And yeah, I'll be checking out a bunch of Xbox, or a bunch of game trailers really. So yeah, sit back, relax, enjoy. Grab your favourite beer, beverage, pop soda, tea, coffee. You know the drill by now, as always. Got my tea. Cheers. Cheers. So yeah, without any further doodaddly days, should we jump right into this, shall we? Okay, let's do this. In 3, 2... Flashing and strobing bright lights. A city besieged by the undead. Okay.
We need to work together to get out of here. It's the only way we'll make it out alive. The streets are full of zombies.
Zombies, alright, actually calling them zombies. With only one way out. Through the arcade.
Hey, look out! Shit, behind us!
Different.
Ugh, this is impossible! And I thought today would be boring.
Rail break. Game over. That's different. I like that. Drop Dead Studios. Cool, cool. Give that a thumbs up. So I'm the 325th like. So let's get a couple of thumbnails.
Hey! Look out!
Okay, so thumbnail. And the other one I saw that was near the end. Okay, and thumbnail. Alright, next up we got Walking Dead. Oh, Walking Dead Destinies available now. Yes, can't wait to play this. I just love the idea that you can change the story.
It's hard to remember who we were before all of this. Who you were.
Cole's letter.
It seems like a different life. One before Mom died.
You have to help us. What do we do?
Choose stealth. Choose combat. Choose who leads.
You taught me that growing up is about keeping the people you love safe.
Always wondered what would happen if Shane
Everything
lived.
changed, and for everyone to have a real life.
And who
The things you've had to do.
dies.
I want you to know that it all means something. That there's hope.
The story
Never forget who you are.
is up to you.
You're
Nice.
a good leader.
consequences.
You're a good man.
Are yours to face.
You're Shane Walsh. My dad. I love you, Carl.
Wow. I love that take, I love that idea. December 1st, so it's gonna be coming out soon. Okay. Cool, can't wait. Okay, give that a thumbs up. And thumbnail for this one. And the other thumbnail I saw. Okay, and thumbnail. Okay, and next up we got a trailer called Outcast: A New Beginning combat trailer.
I come in peace.
Okay.
You speak Agakamon? Yeah.
A giant worm.
I speak 14 languages, but I've never heard of. All right, I speak Agakamon, sure. Take off your shirt. Yeah. I guess you won't be needing this anymore, pal. Yes.
Interesting.
I smell a nice upgrade coming up. Fancy weapon module. Cool. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Special item.
Oh. Kaboom. This looks really interesting.
Great.
Slow-mo.
You leave these unidentified monsters to me.
Oh. I love that slow-mo. Outcast: A New Beginning.
That was awesome. Anybody see that?
Yep. Give that a thumbs up. Get the thumbnails in. Okay, and thumbnail. And then there was another one I saw. And thumbnail. And then the last one with his helmet on. Which was around here somewhere. Well, that will do. And thumbnail. Alright, that was a cool trailer. And next up we've got Flashback 2 launch trailer. Jeez, I remember playing the original Flashback. That was a long time ago, many years ago.
Rated T for teen.
I discovered the existence of aliens able to take human sheep.
Sega Mega Drive, I think.
Aisha, where am I and what am I doing here?
We're on Planet Titan.
Planet Titan.
Looks like the kind of lab where they make clones.
Watch out. Movement detected.
Enemy spotted. He won't go far. We can only stop
Okay.
the invasion by eliminating their leader.
Attention. Vital signs critical.
Surrender, humans.
Looks really cool. Okay, give that a thumbs up, and thumbnail. And the other one, which I saw of the character. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And thumbnail. Okay, and next up we've got Teardown launch trailer.
Whoa. I don't know who's gonna clean that up, but you gotta respect the sheer chaos of it, don't you? Why is it so satisfying to break stuff?
That's
I don't
Owen.
get a kick out of smashing apart a pinata or
Owen
popping
Wilson's
bubble wrap.
voice.
Whoa. This is what Swedish developer Tuxedo Labs was wondering when they put together what we're looking at here. Teardown, a real-time physics simulation game with fully destructible environments.
Okay.
Wait, is someone gonna do something about that? Ah, there we go. Anyway, does destruction make us feel powerful? Is it a way to release the frustrations of everyday life?
Yeah.
Maybe it's about instant gratification, or the beauty of disorder. Turns out, the team didn't need a lot of fancy research to prove one undeniable fact. Breaking stuff is fun. And the bigger the stuff, the bigger the fun. That's why we play games, right? To have fun. You feel that? That's pure satisfaction.
I can't believe that's Owen
We don't
Wilson.
want to just knock things down. No. We want to build them up, too. You know, the whole circle of life thing. So Tuxedo Labs is working away. They craft a story built around heist and demolition objectives. And boom! They've got a critically acclaimed hit. In Teardown, so many people play, create, and share their experiences together. We spend our days working, shoring things up, establishing and keeping order. But here, with us, here it's okay just to tear it all down. Teardown. Available now on Xbox Series X and Series S.
Okay, cool. And thumbnail. Give that a thumbs up. And grab another thumbnail.
Well.
And thumbnail. And then the other one I saw of that fire truck, I think.
Instant gratification. Instant gratification. Instant gratification.
Okay.
Instant gratification.
Yeah, there we go. And thumbnail. Okay, cool. Next up we've got Trinity Fusion release date trailer. Platform shoot 'em up. Fast paced.
We've lost control of the multiverse that we created.
The multiverse.
And now the only way to save ourselves is to destroy it.
Fight as your parallel selves. Lay traps. Brawl up close. Or shoot your way through. Plan your build. Fuse your counter cells to combine their abilities. Okay, interesting. Whoa. Trinity Fusion. 15th December 2023. Give that a thumbs up. It's had over 1k likes. Okay, and thumbnail. And thumbnail. Grab another one. Okay, and thumbnail. And lastly, we've got King Arthur Knight's Tale release date trailer. RPG platform. That's a big dragon. Whoa. Okay, cool. King Arthur Knight's Tale, February 22nd, 2024. And thumbnail. Okay, give that a thumbs up. Let's grab a couple more thumbnails. Okay, and thumbnail. And where was the other one? Okay, and thumbnail. Alright. Cool. Hope you all enjoyed the trailers and my reactions. If you're new, consider subscribing. Turn on that notification bell. Hit that thumbs up button. Helps out the channel. Helps me out as well. Lets YouTube know that you like this content. And until next time, which will be tomorrow for Sunday Fun Day, I am your host, Random Reactions HD, signing out for now. Bye bye and take care.